So this is my Fanimation Aire Decor. Something that I found yesterday. And it has a bit of an, and it works in perfect condition, but it has a bit of a problem. You'll see. It's not with the fan, but it's with the light. See, at first, the second see it works fine. But there's a reason why these two bolts are in. You see what the washers, because washers. If I screw this one in, that one works. But then, if that's one, watch what happens. It cuts off. And I think this is because these light bulbs here they have high wattage. Because even just Steven one, you see, and it can't cut back on the portion either. And do it as a cut off by the switch and cut it back on, and you'll do it again because all this. The mom no, that's the sign of my TV. See, so I'll screw in these bulbs and do it again. It stays on, but I'm not sure why I should even keep it like this because I can already feel heat on these bulbs. So the problem here is these light bulbs. I'm gonna have to change them out for some lesser powerful ones because these ones are too risky to run. So here's the fan on low. Unfortunately, it didn't come with any like full blades though. And I'm gonna have one light bulb on as well. Another they can have all four on due to the voltage problem. Oh god. See? Yeah, so now I'm keeping one light on because I have a little voltage problem, but it still works though. Oh, here's me and the speed flashing. The thing is about the same though. Probably because also I know this fan I'm gonna have good capacity because this fan is actually the same kind of fan that's in my cousin's house. No, this fan did not come from my cousin's house. This exact fan came from inside the road, but it's the exact same brand as the one in my cousin's house. Here's high, and speeds. So yeah, they're about the same. You can be able to tell what speed's on because it's the same speed in all three speeds. And here's banana. See, here are the blades that I found it with. They're under here somewhere. See here, one blades that it came with, but unfortunately it didn't come with 5 of them though. It just had 2 of them when I found it. There weren't 5 of them, and also did not many blade screws on it though. Yeah, that's go on as well. And this is the 52-inch blade. Thanks for watching. Here's a view of the hive. You can hear a bit of burning noise from it too. And this, yes, we'll go ahead and do a reverse switch. Now, in reverse, you can barely hear that sound it makes. And even out of blaze, you can still feel slightly some air, but not a lot. But I'm gonna try to get this light kit tuned up as well, because I'm calling that light. You can see, if one light, you have only one bulb, that's probably gonna be fine. You can see it's got a little shake to it too. But if I screw in all four of them though, I'm gonna show you one more time. All four of them, it clicks off. That's because, listen, I'm not 100%, but this is my theory. I think this particular brand of fan has a system that can detect high voltage, and having all 4 of these fusing at the same time. These light bulbs are kind of high, so that's why I think about changing them out. These light bulbs got too high of a voltage. Oh, no, never mind. Actually, no, too low a voltage. So. Also, these aren't even regular bulbs. These aren't even LEDs either. These are incandescent. So, and we switch, get it back on. So, and it gets hot so quick too. It's already hot. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna keep one bulb on. But thanks for watching.